Okay, here you go, guys. Another cool sharing time. You know me, I always do some like a random or impulse buy. So get a chance to pick up this annual upper deck marble trading cards. So this one is the Blasters exclusive blue base set parallel cards. So this one is from Upper Deck, and just so excited to hopefully we get some cool can pull out some cool cards here. But I'm only what do you call it, like searching for the some sketch card from known but not so well-known artists. So hopefully we got lucky enough to get some of those rare to find cards. So yeah, so just to get the excitement of that, I grabbed this one and let's see what we got.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So check it out. So I guess those are those special release or special cards. So it says here this box contains assortment of 2022-2023 Marvel annual trading cards. So okay, so we got the special that you need to find. Okay, so whatever is that, let's go. Let's unbox. So, okay, half of this and half that is empty. So looking good so far. Okay, so let's see what we got. It's first time to share some trading cards on this channel. So here you go. So to start, we got the Spirit Rider. So I'm not really into cards, so like I said, this is just a randomly just buying it and hopefully get some cool stuff here. So we got the Deathlock. Okay, so yeah, so I'm not too sure what kind of cards we have here. So we got the Phoenix. So this hollow foil kind of Phoenix. This is looking good. Okay, that is nice. It looks like an Asian Phoenix. And Captain Britain. And we got the Backscatter blade. Nice, I can say. That was looking good. So far so good. Okay, I don't know how to separate them from to categorize it, I can say. Let's keep going. So this one contains how many? 2, 4, 6 packs of cards. Okay, we got the Man-Thing. Okay, this one, number 1 spot, Daredevil. Looks like a special one. Hopefully, yes it is. And there you go. That one is pretty nice. Mystic One of those hollow foil thing. Yeah. Some cool attributes here. And Emma Pross. And Macari. That was pretty cool. So, third box. Okay, so far we got the Backscatter. This I think is pretty cool. Let's see. We got the canvas. Hey. Let's try to see if we can do some weighting here. This is pretty light. Okay, I nothing too much onto that weighting. I can feel it. What's the difference? So keep going. Let's see this one. So okay, so guys, help me on this one. If you find something that's really worth something that I don't know, just comment down below. Let me know. Help me. Okay, so we got Clea as we continue. Yeah. Gold Goblin. Yeah, nice. And we got the variant here, Invisible Woman. And the Shatra. Okay. Oopsie. Oopsie doopsie. So, oh, I don't know what you call this one, but looking good. Okay. Yeah, because there's no, the texture is, I don't know if this is one of those canvas thing. Hopefully, yes it is, but not too sure. But because there's no, how they call it, like a laminate on this one. And of course the hollow foil thing, monolith. Looks like just a basic one. And Shatra. Okay, so we got those cool stuff. Keep going. We got the 4 box now. Let's see if we got a good pull here. Check it out. Okay. Binary. That one is really looks cool. Nice, nice, nice. Clea, Annual Superheroes of the Year. Oh, that was really nice. So one of those special. The Thing. Nice attributes here. So that one. Luna Snow. Okay. Looks like an anime one. Oh, that was the artist of that. So that was nice. And it's the Thunderbird. Okay, looking cool so far. We got some cool stuff here. Okay, let's keep going. And we got Agatha Harkness. Nice presentation of Agatha here. Okay, we got top teams of 2022. Maybe that one will go here, and Sam Wilson. And we got another 2 more. Ghost Spider and Marble Girl. So that's pretty nice. Okay, the last but not the least. What's happening? Yeah. Hey, see what we got here. I don't know how the properly or way of sharing it, but we got Destiny here. So, okay, so this is part of the X-Men, the Immortal X-Men series. And Black Panther. That was pretty cool. Pretty nice. And Spider-Man. Dun 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 dun. That was pretty cool. And Scout. That was really nice. Also, okay, looks like part of the Wolverine universe. So Wolverine, dun 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 dun, that was pretty cool. I think we got some cool stuff here, right? So let's do it again one by one. Okay, here you go, guys. This is all what we got. So yeah, I think my beginner's luck not working, so if you don't get the creator autograph, don't get the Lenticular and original art sketch card, which I'm really hoping to get here. But yeah, but still I'm happy what I got. I think this thing is really cool to get it and finally start my trading cards collections. Okay, thank you guys for watching. So, okay, so if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to smash the subscribe buttons now and the bell icons, and comment anything you want down below, and of course the like buttons, don't forget that. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.